bartender from Better Rhodes here, wishing you all a happy holiday. Today we've got 3 amazing holiday mocktail recipes that we are going to walk you through. Super excited to have you here. And today we are featuring 3 different types of mocktails. The first one is going to be our take on a gin sour, and it's called our Jingle Bell Rock Gin Sour, featuring our non-alcohol spirits, cedars, our cedars, which emulates gin, and it's amazing. And it also features things that you've got laying around the house, like candy canes. And all of our recipes today all feature different ingredients that you have laying around the house over the holidays that likely, if you don't do anything with them now, you're probably not going to do anything with them later on. So use them and let's have some fun. The next one we are going to be featuring is our take on a Bloody Mary, featuring our lovely mocktail mix Splash, the Splash Bloody Mary. It is tasty. And this is our kind of version of a Bloody Mary Chelada. So what we are doing is we are mixing in a lovely alcohol-free athletic dark beer to give it that nice kind of amber full-body taste. And again, we are featuring candy canes. You know what we're doing with the candy canes this time? We've got a lovely candy cane rim mixed in with some other spices to give it that salty, sweet, nice little spice. And of course, laying around the house, got some pickles, got some peppers there, and of course an olive. Put them in there to give yourself a nice little tasty treat while you're slurping back that lovely Bloody Mary Chelada. Awesome. And the next one we are going to be featuring is a beer sangria, and that is featuring our alcohol-free well-being wheat beer. And this is going to be really, really tasty. Again, using ingredients that we have laying around the house over the holidays, like apple cider, apples, cranberries, a little bit of pomegranate for that little bit of extra special tasty treat. And with that, that's what we got. So stick with me. Let's get started. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Let's get